So when you're turning into a new road here, like now, you see there's a bus lane here and there's a board right there. I don't know if you can see that. It says at any time. So when I'm turning, I want to make sure I don't go into it. So if I couldn't see that board, I wouldn't go into this bus lane because I don't know what time it will say. But if it says at any time, it means you can't use it at any time. So anytime you go into a bus lane, make sure you've checked first. So this one, and sometimes they're different. So the one before could be at any time, and this one here could be between 7 and 10, let's say. But this one again means the same one. So it says at any time, which means you can't use it at any time, night or day. So right now I'm not using it, but I want to be in the left lane after this. So I'm making sure I go past the thick white line first. So when it's finished, I'm just gonna signal here. Once it's finished, then I can check my mirror again and then go into the lane and cancel my signal so people don't think that I'm turning in them. I'm just going into this lane so I can drive in the left lane to go straight. Just remember from the other video, bus lanes are not the same as bus stops. So this one, I can just drive over it without worrying about going round. So a lot of learners will try to drive over here just to avoid being in the bus stop. But this is the normal position. I want to be in the middle of the lane, and if it happens that I'm covering the bus stop a bit, then that's fine. I don't want to be going all the way over there just to avoid driving over here, because you're allowed to drive over bus stops, just not bus lanes at certain times. When you're driving, it's good to know what time it is, and it's good to set your car, make sure it's the right time as well, because when it comes to like bus lanes, you need to be able to know exactly what time it is. So like now it's 1:20, and I can see the times there. I can use it because it's after 10 o'clock in the morning, so I don't have to worry about using it until so the next time I can't use it again is 4 o'clock, because it's got 7 till 10 and then it's got 4 till 7. So that's the times that I can't use it. So I've got another 2 hours and 40 minutes until I'm not allowed to use it. But a lot of people don't realize that, which is why there's lots of people just in that lane sitting there when this lane's completely clear. But as I get to the end now, I can see it's coming, the lane's blocked by some roadworks over there. So I'm just gonna check my mirror, I'm gonna signal right. And this guy has already seen what's happening, so he's left lots of space for me anyway. Thanks for that, mate. So you see that a lot of people just kind of see what's happening in front of you and then just give you a bit of space before you even indicate or before you even ask. But you need to be aware of that and look around in your mirrors, and then you see them doing it, then you can make your way to the right or to the other lane that you need to. But if you're not paying attention, you might not see that, because a lot of drivers out there are really nice, and they'll see what's happening and they'll make space for you. Approaching this junction here, I can see up ahead is a bus lane, but it's already telling us it's 7 till 7. So there was a board even before the bus lane, so then I can avoid it straight away. I need to check my right mirror and move over to the right, because I know that I can't use it, because it said 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and right now it's 1:30, and so I wouldn't be allowed to use it. So sometimes you see the board even way before the bus lanes even appeared, just to give you, a little warning that something is coming up that you need to pay attention to. Because it wouldn't be fair for you to get that sign right by the bus lane, because at that point they'll probably be really late for you to try to change lanes. So they'll put the sign before, so look out for those blue signs telling you that the bus lane's coming up. So I can already see a blue board telling us the bus lane times, but there's a bus in the bus lane, so I'm not gonna go in there and then be stuck behind him. So from earlier I just moved, checked my right mirror, moved to the right, and then go around the bus. I'm just gonna signal left because I want to turn, and this bus has seen me signaling, which is why I slowed down. So I'm just going to go into gear 1. So when you're turning in front of like other vehicles, especially where the bus was, you want to signal and then keep an eye on them, because you don't want to turn when they're trying to go past you. You signal and then you see what they're doing. If they slow down, and make sure they've slowed down enough, then you can make your turn. If they're carrying on, you might have to stop and then make your turn after they've gone through. Okay, we're at a KFC drive-through now. I think we should do some lessons. I might start doing this with